Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we're going to take a quick look at a macOS application called Paletro. Now Paletro is a great little utility that allows for quick access to menu commands, no matter which application you're in. It's great for those times when you can't remember a keyboard shortcut. If there's a menu command that doesn't have a keyboard shortcut assigned to it and you don't want to use a tool like Keyboard Maestro to manually assign your own, then Paletro is great. Now, it's available as part of the Setup subscription, and looking at its page in the Setup application here, we can see a brief overview of what you can do. We don't need that though. That's why you're a Screencasts Online subscriber. So let's crack on. Okay, I'm going to fire up Paletro for the first time here. So I'll open Spotlight and start typing and press Enter. Now, as Paletro needs to use accessibility features to function, we need to give it permission. So I'll open System Preferences. And then down here in the corner, I'll click the padlock. Now, as I'm on my MacBook Pro here, I'll just use Touch ID to authenticate myself. There, now that's me authenticated. I'll just scroll down until I get to the Paletro application here. And I'll check the checkbox. Okay, that's done. Now I'll close System Preferences. Okay, to demo how Paletro works, I've got an OmniGraffle document open here. And to get Paletro running, I'll open Spotlight. Paletro is already in there, so I'll press Enter. There. Now this is the main Paletro search interface here, and it has the app name that it's searching within on the left, and a list of results appears at the bottom. Now, as we're currently in the context of the Paletro application, all of the below options are related to searching for Paletro commands, of which there aren't very many. Now, I will actually press Enter to go into Paletro's preferences here. And what I want to do is I want to check the checkbox to start Paletro on login, because I don't want to remember to open it when I need it. I just like to have it there on demand. And if I come across to Command Palette, I can check out what the hotkey is to invoke Paletro. Now, by default, it's Shift, Command, and P. And I can change that if I wish. I don't, though. I'm going to keep it. I'm just going to close this. Now we can see that OmniGraffle is the active application. If I press the hotkey Shift, Command, and P, Paletro appears, waiting for me to search for a menu command. And we can see that OmniGraffle is the source application because of the OmniGraffle icon here. And to search, I'll just start typing a command. And all of the relevant options appear. You'll see that we have exact matches at the top, and then commands that have an F, an I, an N, and a D here in that order are listed below.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.